Please click on Start or Windows button and type Control. This will show you Control Panel. Click on Control Panel to open it. Now click on Network and Internet Setting category. Now click on Network and Sharing Center. Click on Set up a new connection or network. Click on Connect to Workplace and click on Next to continue. Click on Create a new connection and click on Next. Click on Use my internet connection. Write down here internet address for VPN connection. Here I will write 172.16.253.1 and now write down the name of VPN whatever you want to set and click on Create button. Now click on Change Adapter Settings on left side panel. Find the VPN you created, and open the properties by right-click and select Properties. Navigate to the Security tab and change the type of VPN from Automatic to PPTP. Change Data Encryption to No Encryption Allowed. Enable Allow these protocols option and select the PAP and CHAP checkboxes. Leave the other settings same and click OK button to finish. Congratulations, your VPN has been successfully created. Thanks for watching and don't forget to share with your friend if anyone need help.